Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated the 27th of February 2023. Indian equity markets closed on a negative note today. Nifty opened gap down around 17,428, and went slightly up around 17,451. After that it continued its downslide and failed to recover later. At the time of close, Nifty closed below 17,465, which is a sign of possible downtrend. Similarly, Sensex shed 175 points to give a closing of 59,288. Talking about sectors, most of the sectors ended in red, with Nifty Media emerging as top loser with loss of 3.89%. Now, talking about the three stocks that have managed to be in gainers list today are Power Grid, ICICI Bank and Kotak Bank. Top three stocks mentioned above rose by 2.09%, 2.07% and 1.8% respectively. On the other hand, we will talk about those three stocks which ended as top losers. They are ADANI Enterprises, Bajaj Auto and UPL. They fell within the range of 4.12% to 9.61% respectively. For the corporate segment we have NOX Green Energy has acquired a majority stake of 51% equity shares in INOX Wind Technic India, an independent O&M wind service provider. Accordingly, INOX has become a subsidiary of the company. Sensex Mauritius has offloaded entire 24.13% stake or 18.85 crore shares in company via open market transactions on February 24th. Sensex Technology International Corporation, a Taiwan-based company, is engaged in the sales of computer, communication, and consumer products. EDELWEISS Financial Services has received the shareholders' approval for the proposed demerger of its wealth management business. The demerger will pave the way for listing of Nuvama Wealth Management. The board of directors of SPICEJET will meet again on February 27th to consider issuance of equity shares on preferential basis consequent upon conversion of outstanding liabilities into equity shares, and raising fresh capital through issue of eligible securities to qualified institutional buyers. PIRAMAL Enterprises will consider the issue of secured, rated, listed, redeemable, non-convertible debentures up to 100 rupees crore, along with an option to retain oversubscription up to 500 rupees crore on a private placement basis. ADANI Ports operations crossed 300 million metric ton of cargo handling on February 23, 329 days of the current financial year, beating its own milestone of 354 days from last year. And Group Company is considering selling some of its shares in the operator of Indian financial technology firm PAYTM to keep its holding within a required threshold. The Chinese fintech giant has been discussing options to reduce its stake in 197 Communications Limited after its share percentage increased passively due to share buybacks, the People said, requesting not to be identified because the matter is private. For stocks to watch, we have ICICI looks good on current market price of 856.40. It can be bought at 850 rupees, keeping target of 975 rupees with stop loss of 750. State Bank of India looks good on current market price of 527.70. It can be bought at 520 rupees, keeping target of 610 rupees with stop loss of 445. RKEC Projects Limited in daily time frame is trading around 58.65 points with a change of 9.93% and is trading with a net volume of around 60,000 shares. The share price is trading below its moving average 59.2, which indicates that the investors need to be cautious. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 45.48 and RSI of below 50 may indicate that the stock is in oversold region. Electra Green Tech Limited in daily time frame is trading at 522.35 points with a change of 8.863% and is trading with a net volume of around 8.63 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 432.95. Shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 65.42. You can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via a call, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for listening the video to the end. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video for the latest updates in the market.